This tiny apartment looked completely out of storage space. Every drawer was jammed shut. Every corner had become a dumping ground. Shoes by the door, mail on the counter, clothes piled on a chair that hadn't been sat in for months. At first glance, there seemed to be nowhere left to organize anything at all. But with a few smart changes, every forgotten corner became surprisingly useful. And by the end of this video, you won't believe this is the same home. Right when you walk in, the chaos starts. Shoes scattered across the floor. There's no drop zone for keys, no place for mail, nothing to catch the small daily items that just pile up. It's the first thing you see every time you come home. The fix starts with going vertical. A slim entryway shelving unit, barely deeper than a bookshelf, slides right against the wall without eating into the walking space. Underneath, woven baskets swallow up the shoes completely, keeping them off the floor and out of sight. Above that, a row of matching hooks gives every coat, bag, and scarf its own spot, so nothing ends up in a pile again. A small tray by the door for keys and mail. Now, walking in feels like arriving somewhere that's actually yours. The floor is clear, the air feels lighter, and that small, calm moment at the door sets the tone for the whole apartment. The living room tells its own story. A coffee table buried under remotes, chargers, and half-read books. And in the corner, a stack of blankets that never quite makes it back into a closet, because honestly, there isn't one nearby. The couch is comfortable, but the room around it feels tight, cluttered, and a little exhausting to look at after a long day. A media console with doors that won't fully close. This is where multifunctional furniture changes everything. The old coffee table is swapped for one with a lift top and hidden storage underneath. Remotes, chargers, coasters, all tucked out of sight but still within arm's reach. A storage ottoman replaces the blanket pile entirely, doubling as extra seating when friends come over. And here's a trick worth remembering. Light, neutral colors on the walls and furniture instantly make a small room feel larger because they let light bounce around instead of absorbing it into dark corners. Floating shelves go up near the ceiling, using vertical space that was previously just empty air. Now the living room finally feels like a place to relax, not a place to manage. The kitchen is small, really small, and it shows. Counters are packed with appliances that never get put away. Cabinets are so full that opening one risks something falling out. There's barely room to actually prep a meal, and cooking, which should feel enjoyable, starts to feel like a workout in patience. Every inch is fighting for space, and none of it is winning. The secret here is stacking storage vertically and getting things off the counter entirely. A slim rolling cart tucks into the gap beside the fridge, adding an entire extra column of storage that didn't exist before. Inside the cabinets, stackable organizers double the usable space instantly, while a hanging rail on the wall holds utensils and mugs, freeing up drawer space below. And this is one of those small space storage tricks that designers use constantly. Clear canisters for pantry staples not only save space, they make everything easier to find at a glance. The kitchen finally breathes. There's room to chop, room to move, room to actually enjoy being in there. It's proof that even the tightest kitchen can feel spacious with the right system in place. This is the one you've been waiting for. The bedroom started as the most overwhelming room in the entire apartment. Clothes on the floor because the closet was already full. A nightstand disappearing under books, chargers, and half-empty water glasses. And underneath the bed, nothing. Just wasted, forgotten space when it could have been doing so much work this whole time. Underbed storage is the single biggest opportunity in most small bedrooms, and it's almost always ignored. Flat storage bins slide underneath, holding out-of-season clothes and extra linens completely out of view. Inside the closet, an over-the-door organizer and slim velvet hangers roughly double the hanging space without adding a single inch of footprint. Now the bedroom feels like an actual retreat. The floor is completely clear. The air feels calmer. There's a stillness to the room now. The kind of quiet, restorative space that makes it so much easier to fall asleep and even easier to wake up. The bathroom is tiny and every surface shows it. Bottles crowd the edge of the tub. The medicine cabinet barely closes. Towels are folded over a single bar because there's nowhere else to put them. It's functional, technically, but it never feels calm, just cramped. A slim over-the-washstand shelving unit adds vertical storage in a spot that's almost always left empty. Woven baskets on each shelf hold towels and toiletries, keeping everything soft, tidy, and visually calm. And swapping in all white matching bottles or filling them into simple dispensers instantly makes the whole space feel more like a spa than a storage closet. A small trick that makes a massive visual difference. The bathroom finally feels peaceful. Nothing is fighting for space anymore, and that small, spa-like calm makes even a quick morning routine feel a little more like self-care. Five rooms, 5 transformations, and one apartment that finally feels like it was designed for the life actually happening in it. None of these changes required more space, just smarter use of the space that was already there. Vertical storage, hidden compartments, multifunctional furniture, and a little bit of intention in every corner. That's really all it takes to turn a cramped apartment into a calm, cozy home. If today's makeover inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more cozy transformations that prove even the smallest spaces can feel like home.